On today's episode of WatchJRGo, Eric's truck, the AC's not working. It is blowing out hot air and it's getting hot outside really fast. This video is sponsored by AC Pro. What is going on, guys? I am WatchJRGo, and today, like I said, we're here with Eric's work truck. We've done a lot of work on this recently, but then the temps outside started going up, and Eric noticed that it's also blowing warm air out of the vents. So we got to tackle that today. So we're going to get in here, do some troubleshooting, try to figure out what's going on with the AC. And obviously, a lot of people would pay a bunch of money to have a shop look at this, but you could do it yourself at home with AC Pro Smart Charge. We have the Bluetooth AC Pro Smart Charge here, which I'm pretty excited to use. This is their extreme condition formula here. It guards against extreme temperatures, restores maximum cold, dry air, seals leaks, and hybrid and electric compatible. So we are going to get this thing open real quick. We've got a couple zip ties we gotta cut off here. And now we're gonna do the part I'm most excited about. AC Pro has an app that takes all of the worry out of charging your AC system by yourself. With this, you can download their app, connect to it via Bluetooth. Let's pull out the tab. You also unscrew this before use. Remove this red tab here. Unscrews out of the charging head and then screw this back together. So first, we've got our trusty infrared thermometer. Let's jump in here and see what's going on with the truck. We'll just measure the air coming out of the HVAC system and see how bad it is. So our ambient in here is pretty low today because we're in the shop, right? It's somewhat controlled. It's 78 in here right now. And hop in the truck. I don't know why, but the floor vents are at 86 degrees. It is hot in here. It's on full cold right now. How long have you been dealing with this? So we've got the climate on max AC, recirc and all here, max fan, and the air that's coming out of the vents, 82.7 degrees. It's actually above the temperature in the shop still, and it's not cooling down at all. So let's jump in here, hook up the AC Pro Smart Charge, and see if we can fix it. All right, so the app walks us through all of this. Pull the battery tab out, I just did that, and turn on and activate the gauge. Hey, we got some blue lights there. Next. AC Pro would like to use Bluetooth. Allow. Connecting. Connection successful. That is quick. Find port, measure AC system, charge AC system. Those are our steps there. But we can pick the make and model of the vehicle. What year is this? 02. 2002. All right, so this should give us instructions. Hey, sweet. It even tells us where the port's at. So on this one, down there by the battery, we'll go ahead and hook this thing up real quick. All right, buried down inside here is the suction port for this thing, or the low side. There we go, we're connected. Let's see. Start car, turn on AC, set fan to highest setting and temperature to coldest setting and recirc. So I've already got it all set up. You wanna start it? In case anyone's worried, the garage door is open, so the exhaust is going right out of the garage door. All right, next, we've attached it. I can hear when the compressor kicks on, the pressure drops to nothing. The fans are kicking on and off nonstop too. I have a feeling the whole AC system on this truck was empty, and obviously you don't need this as like a maintenance item. You only need it if something's actually broken. The compressor's finally staying on for us. We're almost there. All right, guys, we're looking pretty good out here. You can see we've got 34 PSI, 37 PSI in the system. Is it getting cold yet, Eric? So what are we at? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Well done. Perfect. I love it when it's well done. And go ahead, we'll hop in here and disconnect it. Put our cap back on, and we should be all done charging Eric's truck in about 10 minutes. So anyone can be a pro with AC Pro, I guess. Well, Eric's truck is back in action, blowing out super cold air. I do want to say that if your car is not blowing out cold air, then you probably need a product like this. But if it is blowing out cold air, This isn't going to like make it colder or be like a maintenance thing. It's not like an oil change or anything like that. This is for solving a problem with a vehicle. Like he had 89-degree air or whatever we measured the first time blowing out of the vents, and now it's freezing again because the system was low on its charge. You don't need to be a professional to use this or anything like that. DIYers can definitely do this by themselves and just open up the app, check it out. It walks you through the entire process. You can put your car in, it shows you what port you need to connect it to. It doesn't really get much easier than that. So pick up your AC Pro Smart Charge setup today anywhere auto parts are sold, and I'll throw a link in the description below to their website in case you want more information. That is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to head on over to shop WatchJRGo.com for cool shirts just like this. And please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and I will talk to you next time. All right, dog, you ready to go? Hopefully summer's nice and cold.